pag-asa. Pero no time for bitching. Umorder ako, itatry ko California Pizza Kitchen. Dahil nasab yung telly, na-order vermicelli. Take a time, 9:30, yeah, and the key in the place to be. After that, I roam around, so I can drop my love. Looking for a good girl who can give me a good. Well, anyway, the story goes, beat me, I suppose. From coast to coast, tambak ang daming magagandang hoes. At habang nagwa-walk around Starbucks, ang daming anino. Recognize Cusino, umorder ako cappuccino. In front of me, this girl, kumukot siya sa pocket. May nahulog na picture, galing sa kanyang wallet.
Just tell me that you want me. You tell me that you need me.
Oh yeah,
You tell me that you love
come on,
me.
Julina, let me get to it. And I know that I'm right, cause you're here with me tonight. Honey, tayo na sa dilim. And then what?
Patingin ng picture mong maitim.
Baby, honey, tayo na sa dilim. And then what?
Patingin ng picture mong maitim.
Oh.
It was only ecstasy. Who you with?
Oh, just me.
Oh, talaga? No girlfriend?
No,
Oh, talaga? Really?
that's me.
Then Ayala, it was hot. We talk and we laughed a
A
lot.
lot.
Hanggang nakarating kami, third level ng parking lot. Pero walang anticipation, tuloy ang exhibition. Iniyak ko jump in, right in kami sa expedition. By the way, my name is Jolina.
How you doing? I got the
Well,
CD.
talaga?
Oh
Saan?
yeah, Tower baby.
Ay, thank you. Pinunumahan ka CD niya, ako'y naging kaibigan niya. Pinakilala niya ako, pati na rin sa driver niya.
Gutom ka manong?
Talaga?
500 baby.
Nilak niya ang pintuan at ako'y pinadis
Ah, you
niya.
tell me that you
Ano
want
ba
me.
yan?
You tell me that you need me. You tell me that you love me. Everybody sing with us now. And I know that I'm right, cause you're here with me tonight. Sabay, sabay.
Tayo na sa dilim.
And then what?
Patingin na picture mong maitim.
Mas malakas ka mo.
Honey, tayo na sa dilim.
And then what?
Patingin na picture mong
Sabi ni Julina, mas malakas na.
Tayo na sa dilim.
And then what?
Patingin na picture mong maitim.
Baby,
Honey,
tayo na sa dilim.
and then what?
Patingin na picture mong maitim. Oh, madilim sa loob ng band. Di ako maka-engage. Aircon lang ang open at syempre ilaw lang ng gauge. R. Kelly, rock the music, temperatura on the
Oh, diba?
rise. Pag di ko tinuloy to,
Diba,
otherwise
guys?
likewise
Diba,
it is
guys?
our wine. So, tinapos ko cappuccino. Kasi, uy, ubos na. At mamaya-maya mga fireworks malamang ay pumutok na. Gusto niyang magpadali. Sabi ko, cool ka lang, baby, cool. Never ever was siya na an golden rule. So, dinukot ko ang picture sa kanyang pantalon. Habang nagse-celebrate ang buong mundo to the break of dawn. Nilabas ko picture ko at then hinawakan niya. Tinitigan na husto tapos hinaplos-haplos pa. Hawak ko ang kanyang picture at ako'y gandang-ganda. Pati ikaw daw sa Ayala tuloy nakalimutan na. Oh, pero to my surprise, I stop and stare.
Bakit?
Kahit blank siya sa picture, maitim ang kanyang